Have you ever seen a fish that walks on land, climbs trees, and breathes air like a frog? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, meet the Periophthalmini, better known as mudskippers, one of the strangest fish in the world. These little amphibious acrobats defy everything you thought you knew about fish. But how do they survive outside of water? And what makes them such incredible evolutionary marvels? Stay tuned because we're diving, or should I say crawling, into the bizarre world of mudskippers. First things first, what exactly are Periophthalmini? They're a subtribe of gobies, a group of small, bottom-dwelling fish. But unlike most fish, these guys have evolved to thrive on land just as well as in the water. They're found in coastal regions, estuaries, and mangrove swamps across Africa, Asia, and Australia. Their biggest claim to fame? They can survive for hours, sometimes even days, out of the water. So, how do they do it? Unlike typical fish that rely only on gills, mudskippers have a secret weapon. They can absorb oxygen through their skin and the lining of their mouth, just like amphibians. But that's not all. These fish carry tiny bubbles of water in their gill chambers, allowing them to breathe even when they're out exploring the muddy shores. Think of it as a built-in scuba tank. Now, if breathing air wasn't strange enough, mudskippers also walk. Instead of swimming like normal fish, they use their strong pectoral fins to push themselves forward, almost like little four-legged animals. Some species even use their tails to catapult themselves into the air. And yes, they've been seen climbing trees and roots in mangrove forests. That's right, a fish that climbs. Mudskippers aren't just great at moving around, they're also extremely territorial. Males will fiercely defend their little mud burrows, flaring their gill covers and even wrestling with each other. And speaking of burrows, these aren't just simple holes in the mud. Mudskippers dig elaborate tunnels with pockets of air inside, creating their own little underground oxygen chambers where they can escape predators and bad weather. But mudskippers aren't just weird. They're also really important for the environment. They help maintain the delicate balance of mangrove ecosystems by aerating the soil as they burrow, which benefits other creatures living there. Unfortunately, habitat destruction and climate change are threatening these fascinating fish. Protecting mangroves isn't just good for the planet, it's essential for the survival of creatures like the mudskipper. So let's recap. Mudskippers can breathe air, walk on land, climb trees, and even fight like tiny fishy gladiators. Pretty amazing, right? Next time someone asks you what the weirdest fish in the world is, you'll know exactly what to say. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of mudskippers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more amazing animal stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.